Hey guys, it's Fancy. Today I'm just doing a quick set that's really didn't take much time at all. And I'm just starting with a nude base. It's actually a cover pink, but it's got a little bit of sparkles in it. And it's a little bit more nude than pink. And I'm just starting on that over some coffin tips. And I'm going to do that on all 4 nails. So after I filed and buffed the nails, I then went in with a matte top coat to make the whole nail matte. And now I'm going in with a little bit of white gel polish and I'm creating icing like as if it was on a cake or a cupcake. Just kind of a splatter of it, I guess you could say. And I'm going to do that on this first finger, and then I'm going to just do a little bit of a different design with that on the next one. So as you can see, after I did the outline, before I cured it, I just went in and filled it in with a gel brush to make the whole thing white. And it's okay if it's a little bit sparse. I'm going to do 2 coats of it. The second coat is going to be a little bit thicker just to make it more 3D and give the nail a little bit more texture. So after I've done 2 coats of the white, I'm just going in with some clear gel top coat to smooth everything out and make it real nice and shiny, and also to seal in that white. Now I'm going in with some different colored builder gels that I have just to make some little 3D sprinkles, and I think I use 5 different colors. So this is the finished product, and like I said, it's just a simple set. I thought it was really cute. Let me know what you think down below. Maybe give this video a like and subscribe. It really helps me out. And until next time, stay fancy.